This is Rahul. I'm working as a Martech SME at Tonik Bank. So Tonik Bank is the first neo bank in Southeast Asia. So as of now, our target audience is the Philippines market. And the main problem, if you see any digital, any banking, take for an example, onboarding is such a process. You need to submit a number of documents. You need to spend lots of time. So we are trying to make banking for the end customer a very seamless process. We send email campaigns, but we won't understand what is the exact target audience you're sending. Right, acquisition has been easy nowadays, but retention or activating those customers has been a big pain for every marketer. I would say. So I think that was main challenge, to understand what audience are we trying to target and what channel are we trying to target. So email was, I think, our starting problem, and the analysis also. To check what is the send rate, what is the delivery rate, what has been the bounce rate. So all the analytics also really helps us to understand if emails are working or not, what are the conversion rates, and what are the event for one particular event if we have some goals, right? What is the goal percentage that we have accomplished. All this was really difficult before using MoEngage, I think, yeah. We didn't use any other tool before, but yeah, we at a point we understood that our CAC cost is growing, so we had to get a platform of acquisition and even retention part also, and we were looking for features that are more close to us, which will work for us, where we could scale more, where a tool that will help us not only in terms of engagement and even in terms of analysis, in terms of efficient growing, sustainable growing. I would say that is the right term. We were looking for a tool like that, which is cost efficient also. So I think we had a few comparisons, and at last our management had taken a decision that we'll move forward with MoEngage, and I think it's a good decision until now. Yeah, it's good. To be honest, I was not there during the implementation phase, but what I know from implementation phase is it was really quick, right? I think it's just you need to just put a SDK, MoEngage SDK into our code, and that's it. I think half of your job is done, and then we had to just integrate the push notification, email to your vendor, and there were only a few steps. I think it was a good experience, I would say. It doesn't look very complicated. And this is what we need. Our team uses it more for communication and analysis. These are two main things that we are using as of now. And with the communication, we have tried multiple campaigns on push notification, let it be SMS or emails, but flow is what we are trying. We are planning it out, and I think everyone is more excited about flow because it's an entire automation process, right? And there is no room of error. We think that it will work out. So we're just planning, understanding the customer journey and which channel is right, which channel is not, by doing A/B testing. Yeah, all these practices we are undergoing now. See, I'm a non-techie guy, right? So if I need to run, but I understand data. But if I need to run a query on MoEngage, you don't need to. It's a simple query that you write. I mean, just filter out and you see the analysis part. Fernando has been a great help. We trouble him every day, but he has helped us in understanding most of our features. Anytime we had a doubt, we wanted some help from the MoEngage team, from the solution team, for us to understand the architecture, so that if something is going wrong, Fernando has always been our help, and their local support. I think we'll be using it also We have used it for giving KT for our fellow employees also, so that they need to understand MoEngage and they understand how their product is working. They can do it by themselves, understand where things are going wrong, right? So in terms of giving the KT also, Fernando has recently helped us. So yeah, the local team is really helping us. I have not only been using MoEngage in this present organization also, even my previous organization, and I've been using MoEngage for the past one and a half year. The journey I have seen MoEngage the platform also has drastically changed. Like the number of features that you guys have added in. Pusham was a recent feature that you guys have put. MoEngage Inform and MoEngage Personalized. Every product is getting added, which is what a true brand wants. A brand wants a one-stop solution or one umbrella in which all the marketing and analytics work is happening, and that is why I recommend MoEngage. I think it's more innovation and it's a community-led platform. And today we all are here because of the community itself, right? So we can learn together. So yeah, it's a good one, I would say. I would recommend definitely. Inform is really interesting because as we are a banking app, we have a lot of OTP transaction details telling the person that your loan payment time is up, you have to pay. So I think Inform would really help us out. I think it would cut down our cost also. So I'm really looking forward to understanding more on MoEngage Inform, and maybe if it works out for us, we'll be happy to use it in the way forward. So MoEngage Inform is really a feature that we want to explore.